Before you buy this pair of Jordan, you need to watch this video. Without too much talking, let's get into it.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley.
Before we start this video, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Tenamsco. I make posts and announcements over there. Alright, folks, let's get it. Let's open it. Damn. I mean, this pair is just, bro, it's just stunning, man. For real. Like, no one can tell me that they're not paying. Like, come on, like, have some respect. Put some respect on them. You feel me? Just put the respect where it's due. What I love about it is just the overall everything. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's the all for one type shit. Like, I just love it. It's the blend of this whole color pattern that's just absolutely amazing to me. Like, you know, when you're just so overwhelmed that you can't really, I don't even know how to describe the beauty of this pair, but I'll make an attempt to describe it. First of all, we got here some pink, suede pink, purple, and white. Okay, all these colors are evenly distributed throughout the pair, if you get what I'm saying. For example, the purple, you see the purple like on the out layers, you get what I'm saying? On the outskirts, I'll almost say, do you know what I'm saying, of the pair. Then you see the white here and here. And then finally we got the pink, that's in suede, obviously. Like, it's all proportionally distributed. Do you get what I'm saying? You know, when I see this pair, I just think about smoothness. It's so smooth. It's so smooth, man. Like, god damn, bro. Let me show you the interior. Look at this. Listen, who wouldn't cop this pair, man? Let's be honest. Let's be realistic for a second, man. You're telling me you wouldn't cop this? If you say you ain't copping this, you're capping. See, this is what I love about these J's. You put them on with so much ease. God damn it. No effort. Jeez. I mean, just look at them. They're so nice, so beautiful. So, oh my god. You know what I'm saying? Feels so comfortable. It's just, whoa. You know what I'm saying? Just out of words to describe the feeling, the sensation. You know what I'm saying? Looking at them from the top, wearing them, I felt like a celebrity. You know what I'm saying? I felt like I'm exclusive. You know what I'm saying? Exclusive. And that feeling of exclusiveness is available to you for only £94. God damn it, go down in the description. God damn. It's just, whoa. How does it feel? It feels amazing. The inside is comfortable, warm enough but not too warm. Not as constricted as normal, as a how do you call it, as Air Force Ones. Because if you look at them, technically they are Air Force Ones, but with a slightly different shape. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, man, this is so beautiful. What do you think though? Let me, like, what do you think, like, of the on-foot look? I want to know what you feel. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel amazing. I can't even describe that feeling right now, to be honest. But yeah, guys, let me give you a mark real quick. Canada. A whole family murdered with only one sole survivor, the 9-year-old son. All murdered because they were Muslim. Yes, the media covered it, but you know, the general narrative is going to be that, oh, the person was confused, etc., etc. I don't like to get political or even religious here on my platform, but I feel like this is an example of how the media pushes a certain narrative. Like, fair enough, they said, oh, it was sad, it was atrocious, na. But what just happened is also terrorism, and it needs to be addressed. Like, if it was the other way around, and it was a Muslim person that did this to a Christian or any other faith family, the narrative would have been that, oh, it's a terrorist attack. But what's the difference between what just happened and what these terrorists do? Do you get what I'm saying? As in, there's always going to be people that do crime. Oh, there's always going to be serial killers amongst us. There's always going to be people that are unbalanced. So what I just want to say is stop stigmatizing Islam. Like, stop thinking that Muslim people are actually terrorists. Because in a lot of cases, Muslim people are the victims. Do you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to obviously raise awareness, and obviously to people that don't know, Islam is not a religion of hatred or violence. It's a religion of peace. Think about it. How many Muslim people do you know personally? If every Muslim was a terrorist, yeah, the whole world will be in chaos right now. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to put that out of my chest. You know what I'm saying? Let's get back to the review. So yeah. Let's try something. Let's try it. Since it's Jordan, innit? All I was trying to do is make it spin, you know what I'm saying? But forget about all that, bro. You know how I feel about this pair. You know I love it. You know I got feelings. Like the first time I fell in love. That shit was powerful. God damn it. They smell nice. They look nice. They feel nice. This is a 9. I give this pair a 9. Do you know what I'm saying? If I could give it a 10, I'll give it a 10. But 10 suggests perfection, and nothing that was created is perfect. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give it a 9. Yes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. There's a fox by my window. I'm gonna kill this one.